Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Instagram video autoplay. First you need to open the Instagram, then go to the profile page. Here find the three lines on the top right corner. Here find the setting and privacy. Using search bar on the top of the screen, enter the data usage and find the data usage and media quality. Here, just using the slider, click on the data saver. When data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you less data and don't autoplay. Just click on the slider to turn on this option. And we disable the autoplay of video, or we can turn off this option if we have activated this option, and then the video will be autoplaying. And this all for this option here, and goodbye.